Welcome to Food Healthy Food. Today we're making chicken bacon ranch cauliflower bake. So here we go. For our ingredients, we need 1 ounce of ranch seasoning, store-bought or homemade preferred, 3 cups of cauliflower, cut into florets and steamed, a 12-ounce pack of turkey bacon crumbled, and I know it's hard to crumble turkey bacon. I actually put it on a cutting board and cut it into small pieces. 3/4 cups of low fat mozzarella cheese, 3/4 cup of medium cheddar cheese, both of these would be shredded, 4 cups of grilled chicken breast or thighs cubed, and I actually prepared my chicken thighs on the grill earlier, 1/3 cup of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so here we go. We're going to, actually I left out the chives, sorry about that. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of chives. So in a bowl we're going to mix the olive oil, the chives, and the ranch seasoning. We're going to mix that up real good. Really good. So then we are going to take our steamed cauliflower and we're going to dump it right in there, and we're going to coat this really good with the mixture. Once we get this coated, we are going to put it into a large glass baking dish. And when we put it in here, we're going to want to make sure that we try to leave some of the oil mixture in the bottom of the bowl here. So we're going to scoop it out. I'm not really using the best size scoop for this, but we'll work with it. Trying to leave some of that mixture in the bottom of this bowl because we're going to actually use the oil mixture to kind of coat the chicken in. It smells really good, by the way. Okay, so there is a little bit of oil and seasoning mixture left in this bowl and on the sides. So we're going to spread this cauliflower on the bottom of the pan evenly. Let's put that aside. Now we're going to put the chicken in the same bowl. You can use chicken breast. I just decided to use thighs just because I find they're much juicier. And we're going to spin this around in here. Now we're going to take this chicken and we'll lay it right on top of the cauliflower. I like to cook everything ahead of time because then when we do pop it in the oven, it spends much less time in there if it is pre-cooked. I'm going to scrape this out. So I'm going to use this same bowl. Not that you have to, it's just more convenient for me. We're going to set this aside. And I'm going to take my cheese. And my somewhat crumbled turkey bacon. It's as good as I could crumble it. I do have salt listed in the ingredients, salt and pepper. I don't care for pepper. That's why I chose not to use it. And I'm leaving the salt out so we can just salt our plates on our own to taste. Some of us like a lot of salt and some of us don't. Okay, so now we're going to take this and we're going to spoon it all over this chicken and cauliflower mixture in this pan. I actually, this recipe came from a friend of mine who I went to school with as a kid, Laura Lee. Thanks, Laura Lee, for sharing your recipe that you found with me. I've just changed ingredients and made it healthier, tweaked it a little bit. Okay, so we've got it all set. The oven's been preheated to 375, and we're going to go ahead and pop that in the oven, and it's going to cook 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll pop it out and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this just came out of the oven. It looks really good. It's really hot. So we're going to let it set for like 10 minutes to cool a little bit, and then we're going to serve it with, you can either use some fat-free sour cream or some Greek yogurt, whatever you prefer. And we're also going to serve it with some sugar snap peas, and we will show you how that looks when it cools off. Okay guys, here is our finished meal. Looks great. I'm sure everybody here can't wait to dive into it. And here's the recipe, guys. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching Food Healthy Food. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.